Think you've seen all the gadgets Amazon has to offer? These brilliant finds fly under the radar, but are total game changers for your home, kitchen, and everyday life. From clever tools to hidden tech, they make tasks faster, easier, and way more fun. Grab them now through the links in the description below. Bath time just got easier with this clever silicone grooming brush. It dispenses shampoo as you wash, giving your pet a deep clean while gently massaging their skin. The soft bristles remove loose fur and dirt without irritation, and the non-slip design keeps it comfortable in your hand. It's perfect for cats and dogs alike, turning a messy chore into a quick, relaxing spa session for your furry friend. Say goodbye to stiff shoulders and neck tension with this hand-mimicking massager. It kneads and squeezes like real hands, giving you a professional massage at home. 3 heat and intensity levels let you customize your comfort. Wireless and portable, you can relax anytime, anywhere. One-button control makes it simple for anyone to use, fitting perfectly around your neck and shoulders. This sleek air purifier blends powerful performance with modern design. Its 6-stage HEPA filtration tackles dust, dander, odors, and even mold spores, making it ideal for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. You can mount it on the wall or place it anywhere for quiet, efficient operation. With customizable filters and whisper-silent performance, it keeps your air fresh, clean, and comfortable all day long. Folding and ironing just got a high-tech upgrade. This automatic machine smooths and creases shirts, pants, and towels perfectly in seconds. Smart sensors adjust to every fabric type, so every garment comes out flawless. It can tackle up to 30 pieces at once, saving you hours of tedious chores. Compact, sleek, and safe, it turns your laundry routine into effortless precision every single time. Turn your home into a 5-star retreat with this smart scent diffuser. It uses cold air diffusion to fill your space with a clean, even fragrance. No water, no heat, just pure aroma. You can control it straight from your phone, adjusting the intensity or setting a schedule to match your mood. It runs whisper quiet, blending into your day effortlessly. Keep an eye on what matters most without the wires. This battery-powered camera system gives you crystal-clear coverage across your home or yard, even from far away. With extended range technology, it stays connected up to 4 times farther than regular Wi-Fi cameras. You can check live footage right from your phone and even link multiple cameras together. No more squinting or stopping mid-stitch. This wearable knitting light keeps your projects bright and your eyes relaxed. It rests comfortably around your neck, shining adjustable beams exactly where you need them. Choose between 3 light colors and fine-tune the brightness to suit any yarn or setting. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and perfect for crafting in bed, on the couch, or even during a movie night. Clean, fresh water without the plumbing. This countertop reverse osmosis system purifies tap water right from your counter. No installation needed. Its 5-stage filtration removes over 99% of contaminants, giving you crisp, safe, great-tasting water every time. The included glass pitcher keeps it pure and free from plastic residue. Just plug it in, pour, and enjoy pure hydration that feels as good as it tastes. Upgrade your bathroom routine with this easy-to-use bidet attachment. It connects right under your toilet seat and gives you a fresh, hands-free clean with adjustable water pressure. Dual nozzles handle both front and rear washing, and they self-clean after every use for extra hygiene. No electricity, no fuss, just turn the dial and enjoy a gentle, refreshing wash. Simple setup, spotless comfort, every single time. Turn your daily shower into a spa-worthy escape. This rainfall shower system surrounds you with 6 body jets and a 12-inch LED shower head that changes color with water temperature. The soothing lights and balanced water pressure create a full-body experience that melts away stress. A handheld sprayer adds flexibility, while the matte black finish gives your bathroom a bold, modern edge. Luxury meets relaxation right at home. Clean air, perfect comfort, and smart control, all in one powerful machine. This air purifier doesn't just filter, it purifies, heats, and cools your space with precision. Its dual flow system pushes fresh air evenly across large rooms, while AI tracking automatically directs airflow toward where you are. 4 advanced filters remove 99.99% of dust, pollen, and smoke. Quiet, intelligent, and effortless, fresh air has never felt this advanced. If you've ever struggled to get just the right amount of oil while cooking, this clever glass oil sprayer is a total game changer. It delivers a superfine, even mist, perfect for air frying, grilling, or dressing salads without overdoing it. Plus, it's leak-proof, easy to refill, and gives you complete control over your portions. Clean, efficient, and surprisingly satisfying to use. This modern faucet takes your bathroom setup to the next level. It rotates smoothly for easy washing, switches between 3 water flow modes, and even shows the real-time water temperature. No batteries needed. The digital display is powered by water flow itself, giving you safety and convenience in one sleek design. Built from solid brass, it's durable, stylish, and surprisingly fun to use every day. Cleaning just got a serious upgrade. This electric miracle scrubber gives you 4 interchangeable brush heads to tackle every mess with ease. The soft one handles glass and delicate surfaces, while the firm cone dives into tight corners and grout lines. You can use it on tiles, ovens, shoes, pretty much anywhere grime hides. It's gentle, powerful, and makes scrubbing actually feel satisfying. Running out of counter space? This magnetic stovetop shelf instantly turns unused space into a handy spice station. The flexible silicone design fits most stoves, flat or curved, and holds steady with powerful built-in magnets. It's heat-resistant, non-slip, and easy to clean. Just rinse with warm water. You'll love how it keeps spices neat, within reach, and ready every time you cook. Imagine enjoying a single glass of your favorite wine without wasting the rest. This wine preservation system lets you pour any bottle without ever pulling the cork. It uses pure argon gas to keep the flavor and aroma perfectly sealed for weeks or even years. Just insert, tilt, and pour. You'll always have fresh wine waiting, one glass at a time. Outdoor dinners just got way more peaceful. This clever fly deterrent fan keeps bugs away using spinning holographic blades that bend light, something flies can't stand. The soft, flexible blades stop instantly if touched, making it safe around kids and pets. Just switch it on, and you'll enjoy a bug-free breeze anywhere. Portable, quiet, and chemical-free, your new outdoor must-have. Wrinkles don't stand a chance with this 2-in-1 vacuum steamer. It grips your clothes while releasing ultra-fine steam, so you can smooth hems and seams one-handed. No burns, no hassle. The suction even reuses steam for triple the speed and results. Switch modes for delicate or sturdy fabrics, and your clothes come out dry, crisp, and instantly wearable. It's your travel-friendly ironing upgrade. Say goodbye to fur-covered floors and endless shedding cleanup. This 7-in-1 pet grooming vacuum kit lets you brush, detangle, trim, and dry your furry friend, all while sucking up loose hair instantly. It's ultra quiet, so even nervous pets stay calm during grooming time. The built-in HEPA filter traps 99.9% of hair and dander, leaving your home spotless. Easy, clean, and totally mess-free grooming at home. Your jewelry deserves a little spa day too. This ultrasonic cleaner uses 48,000 sound vibrations per second to lift dirt and grime from rings, glasses, and even dentures. No scrubbing needed. Just add water, tap a button, and watch the sparkle return in minutes. With dual cleaning modes and a stainless steel tank, it's safe, quiet, and perfect for giving your accessories their shine back. If your tumbler lids always disappear, this clever organizer fixes that. It hooks under your cabinet to neatly store up to 10 lids. No drilling, no clutter, no wasted space. Made from sturdy, rust-resistant iron, it keeps everything secure and easy to grab. You can even use it for paper towels or storage bags. It's a small kitchen upgrade that makes your space instantly tidier. Turn your living room into the ultimate hangout with this smart coffee table. Dual temperature drawers keep drinks and snacks perfectly chilled or warm while staying ultra quiet. Built-in Bluetooth speakers and dancing LED lights bring the party to life. Charge all your devices easily with wireless, USB-A, and USB-C ports. Plus, flexible drawers with partitions give you organized storage for snacks, gadgets, and more. Dull knives don't stand a chance against this rolling sharpener. It uses a magnetic holder to keep your blade steady while you roll for a perfect edge every time. Choose between a 15-degree angle for razor-sharp precision or 20 degrees for a stronger, all-purpose blade. The diamond and ceramic discs work on any steel, kitchen or outdoor. It's fast, simple, and gives your knives a like-new edge in seconds. Relax in style with this outdoor egg rocking chair. Its super soft, cloud-like cushion hugs you from all sides, perfect for reading or napping. Hand-woven PE rattan gives it a sturdy, long-lasting frame that looks great on any patio or garden. The heavy-duty steel base is water, UV, and rust-resistant, supporting up to 450 pounds. Comfort and durability meet in this cozy, stylish outdoor retreat. Ever waved your hand and wished your trash can would just open on its own? This automatic motion sensor bin actually does. Designed with a slim, modern shape and elegant gold trim, it's perfect for tight spaces while still looking stylish. The smart lid opens when you need it and closes quietly after, keeping things clean and effortless, ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, or small kitchens. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.